In this video, we're going to actually mark the message as read or not here in our front end when we send our message. So here, let's go back. Here, we're going to create a new Alpine property. Here, add a comma. Here, let's add another one, mark as read. Here, let's make it null. This, after we receive this message read broadcasting, here we're going to set this, remove that, mark as read to true. Copy that. Alright, down here in our, let's go down all the way to this double ticks and single ticks. In here, let's add X data. Here, mark as read. Here, since we are looping this message, this is inside the loop, we can get this message and then pass the status of its original mark or read status. So in here, we can do something like a JSON. This is a blade component that we can use to pass data correctly from our PHP to our blade. Here, we can do message is read. Now this is just going to print out the true or false for this current message being looped. Right after that, in here we don't really need this anymore. This if, else, and if. So we can remove that, and remove this is read because we're going to use Alpine now. Here we have these two elements. In here you can add X clock to hide it before the browser is loaded. We don't want this flickering. Here add X show. Here mark as read if it's true, we're gonna show it. And then copy this X show again. Come to this element down. Here we're just gonna add an exclamation mark in front of this one. Alright, so now this will put the read or not read status when we load the page, and then when we receive a new message, this on top is a global. It's going to update all the markers read inside this file to true. That's what this does simply. Right, so now let's test it out. Let me refresh the page there, also there. So now watch on the right, please, like as I send a new message. So here, let me send a message. You see, right now it's not read, but in a few seconds we should get, voila, you see? Now it's marked as read after the feedback is received. Here, show you once more, enter, watch here. You see? Now it's working fine. Alright, so I think that's it for this video. See you in the next one.